Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come this site dell.com. After that click on support, then click on driver and download, then enter the model number, Alienware 14. After that click on search, then scroll down, wait few seconds to then select the driver, then click on the category. After that you can see the driver, all audio, chipset, mouse, keypad, network, storage. So all driver you can see. So first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11. So Windows 10, 7, 8, 8.1. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver. Slow down. Network, Ethernet and wireless. So Wi-Fi driver. Click to download. So you can see it is downloading. It is completed. Wi-Fi driver. Just open. Then click to yes. Then click on install. Then select the languages, then next. So it is installing and finish to install, and then close it.